There's a whole vocabulary for the fan journey, falling in, doing the fan thing, and leaving. Let's decode the fan life cycle.
입덕, 탈덕, 덕질.
These words all share one root, from otaku, meaning a passionate fan. One by one.
덕후의 인생주기야.
First. Means enter, means fandom. So is falling into a fandom, the moment you become a fan.
입덕. 나 입덕했어.
Say IPDOC. I've fallen for them. The video that made you a fan, the gateway clip.
입덕했어. 입덕 영상 뭐야?
You watch one fan cam just to see what the hype is, and 3 hours later.
큰일 났어. 나 입덕했어.
The moment itself is your bias point, the exact second you fell. Fans love comparing them.
내 입덕 포인트는 이 무대야.
Word 2. Means leave or escape. So is leaving a fandom, you're no longer a fan.
탈덕. 나 탈덕했어.
I left the fandom. Sometimes it's sad, sometimes a relief. Half left, losing interest.
나 반쯤 탈덕했어.
Life gets busy and you slowly drift from daily streaming. One day you realize.
어느새 탈덕했네.
The opposite of leaving forever is re-entering, falling back in love with a group you'd left. It happens a lot.
이 컴백 보고 재입덕했어.
Word 3, the daily life one. It means doing fan activities, streaming, collecting, watching, supporting. Being a fan, actively.
덕질. 덕질하느라 바빠.
To fan. Busy with fan stuff. Happy fangirling or fanboying.
행복한 덕질 중이야.
Photo cards, streaming, concerts, fan art, your whole weekend is planned. A friend asks what you're up to.
주말. 덕질해야지.
A hardcore fan is a. Doing it seriously is real, genuine fangirling. Wear it with pride.
나 완전 덕후야. 찐덕질 중.
These are fandom culture words, casual but widely understood. Is even used jokingly by non-fans now. Safe in most casual talk.
팬 문화 단어. 편하게 써도 돼.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. Falling in. Leaving. The fan life.
입덕. 탈덕. 덕질.
Your mission, comment the exact moment you fell for your bias. I'll reply to the best stories. Subscribe for more fandom words.
너의 입덕 포인트는? 댓글에